For many Sydney-siders, a trip to the northern beaches is just a lovely thing to do on the weekend. Well, it's even better now that the GF Cafe has come to Newport. We're here with Chef Nigel Burlington, and he's from the GF Cafe, 100% gluten-free. Hi, Nigel.
Hi.
Thanks for having us in your kitchen. We're here for Massel, and you've been using the Massel stock products for a long time in your cooking.
Yep.
And what's your favourite?
The powdered veggie.
And what do you use that with?
Lots of things. It's very versatile. You can add water to it. You can use it as a seasoning. Lots and lots of things.
Okay, now today though, we're going to divert you from the powdered veggie and we're into the liquid stock because we're making risotto. Creamy brown rice risotto with some asparagus, some mushrooms.
And finish with a bit of goat's cheese.
So risotto takes a long time, so we better get into it. Let's go.
Okay, so we've got to heat up the stock first. So that's going to take a little while.
And what stock are you using, Nigel?
I'm using the vegetable Massel liquid stock. Plenty of stock.
That's a lot. How much about?
I'm going to do about 3 cups just to be sure. So we're adding a little bit of veggie oil and some butter into the pan. And to that, some brown onion. A little bit of garlic. And some nice big field mushrooms.
Another terrific food.
Yeah, they're great. And they'll soak up some flavour and add a lot to the sauce. Okay, so we don't want too much colour in this. Just get a little bit on the mushrooms, not too much on the onion and garlic. So now we're going to add rice to that first. Our brown rice. Okay, so we're going to add our veggie stock to that. I'm going to add about three ladles to start with. And that's going to slowly suck that up.
See, I don't know about you, but in my recipe, I like to add a little bit of wine. Would you add it to yours?
We can add that now if you like.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
I was going the healthier option, but...
Oh, come on, you with me.
Why not?
Let's give it a go. How much? Tell me when.
Yeah, that looks good.
Beautiful. One of the things with risotto is it takes a long time to cook. Now, normally, Nigel, you can't leave the kitchen, but I'm going to give you a break. We'll be back in 45 minutes, and we are at the GF Cafe, so let's get a coffee. Come on, my shout. We're all charged up, back for the risotto. Well, we didn't really leave it for 45 minutes because you can't do that. One of the things with the risotto is you've got to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. But 45 minutes later, Nigel, how's it looking?
It's looking beautiful. So now, it's time to add our asparagus. This is 99% cooked out. So we're going to add our asparagus. That's only going to take a minute because we don't want squishy, horrible asparagus. And to that, I'm going to add a good dash of cream.
I've never put cream in my risotto. Maybe that's the ingredient that's missing.
And a knob of butter. So that's looking lovely. And we'll just cook out that asparagus. Just to finish it off, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. I'm always pretty generous with that.
Yeah, and that'll thicken it up as well,
It'll
won't it?
thicken it,
Yeah.
yep.
Can I do a little stir?
Certainly.
Oh, that just looks amazing.
And we're going to season it. A bit of salt.
Yeah.
And a decent amount of black pepper. Put a bit of parsley in there as well. A bit more colour.
Go crazy.
What?
Add the parsley. Yeah.
Yep, that looks beautiful.
Fantastic.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So it's nice and saucy, but not too saucy. A little trick for this, I like to put a little bit of lemon juice on it.
Ooh.
Just gives it a little zing. Some nice goat's cheese, just crumbled over the top. Yeah, and just adding some micro herbs. And there we go.
Oh, Nigel, that looks absolutely fantastic. Well done. And that's actually one of the dishes on the menu here at the GF Cafe, isn't it?
Yeah.
100% gluten-free. So it's the creamy brown rice with the mushrooms, the goat's cheese, and what have I forgotten?
Asparagus.
The asparagus, and of course, all made with the Massel stock. Thank you, Nigel, and also thank you to Cassie Starr and her team for having us here at the GF Cafe, 100% gluten-free. And that, as I said, that recipe is on the menu here at the restaurant. Otherwise, you can make it yourself. Go to the website, which is massel.com.au, and look under brown rice risotto and get the recipe there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your food.